sir.
Good morning, class 9. So, today we are going to start our class with the last homework. So, we will discuss the last homework first, then we will continue the class. And today we have to start the new topic also. So, while we start the new topic, please pay attention. Okay, so let me share my screen. So, my screen is visible, everyone. बच्चों
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. So the last question was, we were supposed to enter a number like 2 3 9 5, and what we are supposed to generate, we are supposed to generate the largest number having all the digits, or you can say the existing digits, whatever you are having in the existing number. So now the largest number, this is the largest number using the existing digit 2395, right? So as you can see here, to generate the largest number, so first of all we will declare some variables like number, then for dummy also, then for generating the largest, and for extracting the digit also we need and one additional variable for the loop. So now as you can see, the largest digit we can have, that is 9, and the smallest we can have 0. So this is the basic concept, so please pay attention here. So first of all we will ask from the user, enter a number. Any positive number. This is important. So now we are storing that number, and at the same time we are inputting the number in M also. So for that, the basic statement we are going to use, that is ob.nextInt. Why ob? Because I have used scanner object as ob, and the next int is used to take input of integer value. After that we need a loop, for loop, which starts from 9 to greater than equals to 0, then I minus minus. Initially I told you, whenever you are starting a loop from the bigger value till the last, always you need to use the greater than as well as I minus minus. So why we are using this loop? This is very important. See, this loop we are using for this purpose. So every time we will search for the digit, means if this 9 is present in this existing number, then we will form a largest number out of the actual one. So please pay attention, very basic working. First of all I will write, after that I will do some changes also. So now, don't copy now, just wait. There are some changes that I will do later. So now, what we are doing here? First of all, we are starting a loop from 9 to 0, and then in this loop, what we are doing? We are simply extracting a digit and then removing. So Arisha, please pay attention. The mistake I am going to discuss, what you have done last time. See, so initial value of I starts with 9. So suppose the number is 2395, right? So first of all we are getting here 5. Then now the number will be 239.
Yes, sir.
Next time it will be 9. Then the number will be 23. I am removing this.
Yes.
Then 3, the number will be 2. Then 2. Then the number will be 0, because we are removing 2. So after that again your control moves on this. So now n is 0 and I will be next 8. So next time we are looking this 8 in 0 because n becomes now 0. Am I clear, Arisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the solution, please look at here everyone. So for the solution, what you will write? You will write this. Now the dummy is required, and now at the same time, what you will do? You will check if I equals to a. If this condition is true, then we need to form a largest number. How? That I will show you the dry run. Please look at here everyone. Now the program is already over. Only the printing is required now. That I am going to print. Largest number is large. So how it is going to generate the larger, that I will show you. Okay, so let me tell you again. I will show you the dry run. Please pay attention everyone. Step by step I will show you. So now the starting point is starting from 9. M was 2395. We are working on this number only. So from this loop, please pay attention. 2395 is not equals to 0. So first of all we are extracting 5. So 9 equals to 5? No. This condition is false. So this won't work. So directly we are coming, so the number becomes 239. Am I clear till here? This will not execute. So now after this we are coming on this part. So the value of n is 239 now. Next time instead of 5, what you are getting? You are getting 9. So this time the condition is true. Am I clear? So what is happening?
Yes, sir.
Initial value of large is 0. So what we are doing? 0 equals to 0 into 10 plus the extracted value which is correct. So that is here 9. So 0 into 10, 0, 0 plus 9, 9. So this large becomes 9. After that your control moves here. So now n becomes 23, right? Next time 23 is not equal to 0 and a is now 3. So 9 equals to 3? No. So this true case will not execute. Directly your control moves here. So now it becomes 2. Next time a will be 2. 9 equals to 2? No. So again this will not execute. So large will remain 9 and now it becomes 0. So 0 is not equal to 0? No. It is equal to 0, so the while will not execute. So the last value of large was 9 and n becomes 0. After that your control moves here. So now Riddhi Kalra, what is the current value of I now after executing this part? Here. What is the value of I? Riddhi? Riddhi? Beta Riddhi, your voice is not coming. 8. Shreya Rastogi is telling 8. Yes. Who else? So I will be now 8. Absolutely correct, Shreya. So now n was 0. So m was 2395. So again n becomes 2395. So again we are looking 8 in this whole number. So every time this condition will be false. So this will not execute and the large will remain same, that is 9. Next time I will be 7. Again no changes is made on large because the condition is not true. Next time it will be 6. Again no change. But now I becomes 5 in this case. Now see, first time. Look at here. The condition is true. That means 5 equals to 5. So please pay attention. So the large was 9. 9 into 10. 9 into.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, instead of your whole screen showing, it's just showing in a specific corner zoomed in. I don't know if other people are sharing this problem.
Beta, please let me tell me everyone. My screen is visible properly or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Whole screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, please check your setting. Those who are not getting. So 9 into 10, that is 90. 90 plus 5, that is 95. So like this only, you will get 9, 5, 3, 2. Ultimately, in large, you will get the largest number found by the existing digits present in a number. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
The working is clear?
Yes, sir.
Arisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This part is clear or not? This one, because
Yes,
this
sir,
was
clear.
your mistake,
Yes, sir.
beta. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. Anybody else? Any query? बच्चों, any query? So let me execute this program. Now tools completed successfully. There is no error. Now any positive number, whatever you want, like this. 19,058. So now please see. The correct output is 98510. 98,510. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, I hope there is no doubt in this question. One more thing. Now we are going to start a new topic, that is your pattern printing. And now in this pattern printing, the concept is very easy. So let me show you this. Let me check how many are present. So Artika, Buday, Aditya Mishra. Any confusion in the last question, bachcho? You can ask. I am giving you 1 minute.
No, sir.
Anybody
No,
else? Okay. Aryan, Ashok,
No, sir.
Riddhi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bharat. Bharat Asthana.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
Good. Ghazi. Eshita.
No, sir.
Okay. Amisha, beta. Amisha. Soumya,
No,
Ashish.
sir.
Kesarwani.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
Good. So now we are going to start a new chapter. Vedant, any confusion beta in the last question? Okay. So now let me discuss this. Okay, now as you know, whatever you are printing, that comes on your screen like this. So this is your screen in the block, right? So now basically whatever you are printing on your computer screen, the screen is further divided into the rows and column. As you can see, the lines I am not able to draw properly, but this is the grid. On this grid only you are getting all the things, whatever you are printing, maybe the alphabet, maybe the digit, maybe any picture. So basically whatever you are printing, that comes in a proper cell, and the screen is further divided into the rows and column. And now I am simply drawing the screen which is divided into the rows and column. So the horizontal thing means this is the first row, then second row, then third, 4, 5, Everybody please pay attention, right? This is important and the basic thing I am explaining here. So now this is your screen on which you get the output, and now these are the columns and these are the rows, and basically your screen is divided into rows and column. So there are 24 rows and 80 columns. This is the basic standard screen I am talking about. So that row number starts 25 rows and 80 columns, and the number of rows starts with 0 to 24, and now the column starts with 0 to 79. This is the basic standard size I am talking about, right? So now suppose you wanted you are printing something like this, like right? Suppose you wanted to print this part on your computer screen. So as you can see, basically whatever you are going to print on your computer screen, that prints row wise, as you can see in this example. So what you are getting, 1 on the first row, first column, then on the second row you are getting output on 2 columns. On the third time means the third row, that means this one, you are printing 1 2 3. So that 1 is coming on the 1 2 3 is coming on the separate cell, like in the fourth cell also you are getting this. So we can say the printing starts row wise, and after printing the first row you are coming down to the next row. So basically the pattern printing, you can divide this pattern in 2 ways. One is this and one is, so now this is your left side pattern, left side pattern, and this type of pattern is known as, you can say, the right side patterns. So initially we will start from the left side pattern. So what we can say, we can divide the pattern printing in 2 category. One is the left side category and one is the right side patterns. So first of all we will start from the left side pattern, and in the example also I have given the example for this, for the left side pattern. So now you can see the left pattern, it can be like this also, it can be like this also, right? That's up to you. And for the right side, the pattern I have shown you, this could be like this also. And now apart from the left and right side, we are having the triangle shape also, or you can say the diamond shape also. That also we will understand how to print. So these things we will do later. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
Now, so focus on the left side pattern. Please pay attention. So as you can see, the printing starts row wise, and this is the standard method. So basically in this pattern printing we will use for loop, and this will be your structure. The nested for we will use. I hope my screen is clear. So now basically the first loop here, the first loop is used for number of rows, and the second loop is used for the number of printing, or you can say for printing. So the basic things I am telling you, please you can note down these things in your notebook also. And the first loop we use for number of rows. And this statement, here we will change the line and here we will print the things whatever you wanted to print. Is it clear everyone, the basic things? The first loop is used for the number of rows. It can start from 1 to 4, 1 to 4 or 4 to 1. That depends on the requirement, because the outer loop it is a supporting loop basically, and this supports while printing the output. So the printing loop is totally depends on the pattern what you wanted to print on your screen. So as you can see in this example, every time the printing is starting with which is it? Who will tell?
Sir, 1.
So please pay attention. So the first time printing is starting from 1 to, yes, 1 to 1. So how many times the printing is happening in the first time?
1.
Very good. So second time the printing is starting again from 1 till 2. Third time the printing is again starting from 1 till
3.
and the next time again it is starting from 1 to till 4. So how many rows actually we are having in this question? Come on. How many rows?
Sir, 4.
4.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So in this program, how many rows? 4 rows are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now let me show you the output. The program, sample program. Okay. Some loops, some variable I am using here like I and j. Now okay, so look at here. So now the format I am using here. I will explain the question after writing this, okay bachcho? So relax. Okay, so now again I am going to explain. Please try to understand. So now in this question, see, this is the first row, second row, third row, and this is the fourth row. So first of all you need to understand how many rows, for how many rows you are going to make a program. So in this question there are 4 rows. So we have taken a loop from 1 to 4. And now when the starting point is smaller and the last point is bigger, always we are supposed to use I++. As I told you, this loop can start from 4 to 1 also. Like I equals to 4, I is greater than equals to 1, and I minus minus also. But at the same time I told you that this is a supporting loop for the printing. As you know, as you can see here, the printing every time it is starting from 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, right? So now as you can see here, the starting point in j means j has to start with 1, because inside the loop, in this inner loop, we are printing j. So every time, according to the question, we are supposed to print the variable whose value every time starts with 1. So that is why j has to start with 1. And now after starting from 1, j is going till I. So now let me show you the execution. So now first of all your control moves here, so I becomes 1, I is less than equals to 4, and so current value of I is 1. So again the condition is true, so again you are coming inside the loop, so j becomes 1, and now you are testing the condition 1 is less than equals to 1, so again the condition is true, so you are moving inside. So what you are getting? 1, because of this. And now see, we are not using here print ln, because if you will print the print ln here, so that means the printing will come every time on the separate line. And now see, except the first row, every time the printing is happening on the same line, like 1 1 2 on the same line, 1 2 3 on the same line, 1 2 3 4 on the same line. So if you are using here print ln, so every time the output has to will come like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If you are using print ln in the first loop, so this is not correct, so this has to be there print. So after printing 1, your from here your control moves on j plus plus, so j becomes 2, and now then again, so 2 is less than equals to 1, no, so now the loop will not execute. So what will happen? Your control moves on this part when this part is wrong. So now you are changing the line, that means after printing 1, your control is not coming automatically, control has to be moved using this statement, so it is coming just because of this statement. So now your cursor is coming on the next line. Now after that you are coming here, then your control moves I plus plus, so it becomes 2. So 2 is less than equals to 4. Yes, we are coming inside this loop. So again j will start from 1, say 2 tak. Then every time you are getting 1 and 2, because j is starting from 1, the next value of j will be 2. Then j becomes 3. 3 is less than equals to 2. No. So now this part will execute and your control moves on the third line, and then after your control moves on this I plus plus, so j will execute third time 1 2 and 3, then 1 2 3 4. After that at last I will be 5, so 5 is less than equals to 4, no, so this outer loop will break and then your programs gets over. Am I clear, everybody?
So can you please post this program on Google Classroom?
Why not? I can post in the chat box also. No issue with this. Is it clear? Concept is clear or not? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am pasting this in the chat box because in Google Classroom there are so many things, right? Or should I post in the GCR?
Sir, you can post in the chat box also.
Yes, thank you. I hope this one is clear, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
So now I am going to share one question and try yourself. Please copy and paste in your file and you can type it. Now the first question is now are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
You need to print this pattern. Note down this pattern. I am going to stop sharing my screen, बच्चों. Who is this? Kasaudan. Yes, beta. Absolutely correct. Beta, Anushka, you have made this program for n number of rows, but it is fine. Very good. After posting the result in the chat box, please let me know, bachcho. And try to understand the basic concept of the pattern painting. And we have started the left side patterns, and they are very important and easy to understand. So if you are not getting, don't worry about that. You will get it. Then only we will move further. Okay. Try everybody. Par Srivastav, Aparajita, Abhyuday Gupta. This is also correct. You can ask from the user for n number of rows. How many rows? Yes, absolutely fine, beta. Abhyuday. But this SOP blank is not required before the for loop. Okay. But that is fine. For the better output, you can write, you can use that. Bharat Asthana, Anirudh Singhal.
Yes, sir.
Please try, beta. Aryan. Ankit Sharma, are you trying this question? Ankit,
Yes, sir.
please try. Dhriti Tripathi. Dhriti, please try the question, beta. And please do not miss the upcoming classes. We are having 3 classes in this week. Okay, and these are very important. In this, we will work on the pattern painting. Okay, Nitya, just a minute. Very good. Nitya, are you getting the concept now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Riddhi is also correct. Very good, beta.
Sir, can you show the question again? The pattern
Why not?
that we have to write the program for.
Soumya, beta. Yes, beta, I can. Now it is on your screen, beta. 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4. If there are 5 rows, then next row will be 5, 5, 5, 5 times. 5, 5 times. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
अमीशा, कहाँ गई अमीशा जी? यस बेटा, अमीशा एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. श्रेया रस्तोगी, it is fine, beta. Come on, hurry up, everyone. Everybody has to try this question, then we will move to the next question. Aditya, have you posted?
Sir, I'm posting.
Okay, beta. Vedant, very good. After posting, please let me know. Shubhika Seth, Eshita, Sarthak
Yes,
Pandey,
sir.
please try.
Sir, I have posted the program.
Okay, beta, let me check. Shivansh, your is correct, Shivansh.
Thank you, sir.
Eshita, your is correct, beta. Very good. Now see one more thing, all of you. Some of you are printing the blank also after printing I. That is correct. But initially don't use that. Okay. But that is also correct. Don't think that is wrong. That is correct. Artika Gupta, fine. Beta, absolutely correct. Kavyansh, your is fine. Laksh Goyal, absolutely fine, beta. Sorry, Laksh, it is wrong, beta. Wait. Sorry. Yeah, it is correct. Absolutely fine, Laksh. Very good. Aryan Ashok. Yeah, it is also fine. Aryan, in the second loop, the closing bracket, round bracket is missing.
Yes, sir. So when I type 5,
Rest is fine. Daksh, absolutely fine. Aditya Mishra, 1C, N. Yes, absolutely. But Aditya,
Yes, sir.
but your is wrong. See the printing. You have printed C. Where is your? You have printed N. Sorry. You need to print C, beta. Because if you are printing N, so the previous output will come 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear?
Sir, I'll just check.
Go and check. Let's check it. Anirudh single. Yes, Anirudh. Absolutely fine.
Sir, mine is showing the series correctly.
But here it is wrong, beta. See,
Sir,
you have printed
see-
N, na beta, the second inner loop variable. So
Yes,
it
sir.
will come 1, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3. It's wrong.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you have, in computer you have printed something, you have printed C. That is why it was coming. And here you have missed this. Rachit Srivastava is correct. Suyash Yadav. Very good, beta Suyash. Ankit Sharma, correct. So now let me tell you this again. I am going to share my screen. Now see, in the previous program, you were getting the output in this format. 1, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Then the output was coming this. So in this case, we were printing J. So J was starting with 1 every time. So that is why it was coming 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you are doing this like I, so now what will happen? So printing is happening same number of times, but every time what you are supposed to print in this, so first time 1 time, then I you are printing 2 times, then 3. Am I clear, Aditya?
Yes, sir, got it.
Now 4 times. So how it is happening? Just because
Sir, I have
you are
posted the updated
yes.
version.
So if you want to print the blank, in that case you will get the output in very clear manner. That I will show you again. Now see, so this time the output is coming better, means there are space, that space is not visible, but you are getting this space. After 1 you cannot understand whether the blank is coming or not, but it is there. But after 2 see, you can see the proper blank. And one more thing, in the same question, what you can do, you can ask from the user to enter number of rows and take input for that, like n is your number of rows. So now instead of 4, just use this. And now while executing, please try to understand, there is some error. Sorry, the input I have not taken. Now see. So now first of all, we are supposed to enter the number of rows, and for that you are getting the output. Is it clear, everybody? As you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now the next not the homework exactly. I am giving you 2 programs. I am posting this in your chat box, the solution for n number of rows, right? You can copy this with blank. So now the next homework is very important, everybody. Just wait a minute. Any query? No query. Yes, Gaurang?
Sir, can you explain, sir, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 again?
Okay, why not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Bharat?
Sir, actually, this program which we have tried, like 1, double 2, triple 3,
Yes,
and
yes.
this program.
Yes.
Sir, I've tried many ways which the students and you have done, but my program is coming in the wrong way.
Now you can copy this question. I have told this program. I have posted also, right? So you can
Yes, sir.
you can try that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Gaurang, please look at here. Now see, this is the previous question, which was 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody please pay attention, those who are not getting, right? So now suppose the number of rows user is inputting 4. So now we are working on the 4 rows. So initially I starts with 1, condition is true, we are coming inside. So Gaurang, the inner loop, it has to start from 1 to I. So till I this will execute. So how many times this will execute? Only once. So what you are getting, the value of I, that is 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
After that your control moves to the next time, that is j plus plus. So it is becomes 2. So 2 is less than equals to 1? No. So this won't execute second time. Second time your control moves on this. So we are changing the line and we are moving to the next line. Everybody please be there in the class. Nobody will leave. Next time I becomes 2. 2 is less than equals to 4. Yes. So again we are coming inside the loop. So it is again starting from 1 से लेकर 2 तक. So how many times? 2 times. So 2 times, what is the value you are getting? That is 1 and 2. Right? Gaurang beta?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The same way,
Yes,
third
sir.
time also it
Excuse me,
will
sir.
execute. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes beta?
Sir, I lost connection, so I had to exit the meet. Can you please send the questions again?
Beta, the homework.
Yes, sir.
Beta, homework I have not given yet.
Okay, sir.
Only 2 programs till now we have discussed. The homework I am
Yes,
going
sir.
to
Yes,
give you.
sir.
Please everybody,
Yes, sir, I saw that. Thank you.
look at here the homework. And you will make this program for n rows. Are you getting this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please note down and don't leave. Try now. I can wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. Soham? Soham Matan Elia? Wait, Priyambada. Priyambada, this is wrong, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, I've put it on the
I've run it and it's coming okay, sir.
बेटा नहीं बेटा आना नहीं चाहिए बेटा एक जस्ट मिनट yes Priyamvada it is correct but what is the use of p plus plus it's not required है ना because of that I got confusion but rest is fine we are very good beta
Thank you, sir.
just remove this p plus and p that's not required okay,
Okay, sir.
Anushka it is correct beta who is this the last one बेटा ये किसने प्रिंट भेजा है इतने सारे पैटर्न्स अनुष्का अनुष्का हेलो एम आई ऑडिबल बेटा
Yes, sir.
प्लीज ट्राई एवरीवन and after posting please let me know
Sir, I have posted.
Riddhi right Riddhi yours is correct beta
Okay, sir.
Laksh yours is wrong the logical mistake see the first loop beta first loop is wrong
Sorry, sir, it was a printing error.
Artika Gupta yours is correct beta very good who else is trying only 3 are absent today but now I am ending the class you can leave one by one this is your homework only one homework I am giving you this is the same homework okay everybody
Thank you, sir.
Vedant yours is correct
Thank you, sir.
Vedant yours is
Thank you,
correct
sir.
very
Thank
good
you, sir.
Nitya yours is also correct
Thank you, sir.
good
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
bye
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
bye बच्चे पर please note down everything in your notebook
Thank you, sir.
okay बेटा
Thank you, sir.
okay बच्चे
Excuse me, sir.
yes बेटा
Sir, in the previous program.